Hello everyone, I like to show how I build a distressed floating wood shelf. As you guys see, I'm using a 1x4 and 1x8. It's a common cheapest board that you can get from any big box store. So the 1x4 just cutting both edge 45 degree, and the 1x8 just one side of 45 degree. Glued each edge and then nailed together. And then repair many hole as you can, but not every hole. So leave some of the near holes exposed and scratch, because it's a common pine board. So because this is a distressed. Inside, installing some support, leave about 1.75 inch from the straight edge. This is for hanging. And then just beat it up much as you can. You can use hammer, chain, nails, screws, wherever. The more beat it up, the more looks aged. You can scratch it with the blades, anything. And then you need the sanding, because all the sharp edges, it's better to remove. Nobody wants to be injured if they touching. When the sanding is done, I'm start the staining. First, just a couple of spots with the black stain, as you guys see it. And then a thick coat of Jacobean stain I'm using right after, so I'm not waiting a drying time between the two stains, so it's nicely blend together. So when I'm finished with the thick coat, I'm just wiping off the excess. This process gives a cool aged looking wood. In meantime, I'm start installing a support for the shelves, and then I'm put 3 coat of water-based polyurethane, the same polyurethane I'm using for wood floorings because it's much harder. This is the installing process. It looks cool. Nice edges. And this is one of the finish. And this is the final in daytime and nighttime. Thanks for watching.